Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the main DNS error in Shopify. So I'll be showing you at least a few methods today. First, you just have to go to your Shopify, go to your domains. Now here, you need to check or ensure your domain's DNS settings are correctly configured to point to Shopify. For custom domain, your A record should be set to Shopify's IP address. Also, aside from that, you have to verify domain ownership. So you have to make sure and ensure that domain listed under connected domains. If it's not listed, you'll need to add it by clicking Connect Existing Domain. Number two, you need to clear cache. So you have to click this three dots, go to your history, and then you have to look for delete browsing history. Okay, so delete browsing data. Now choose a time range here. For example, last 7 days. Everything is up to you. And then tap this to have this, and then tap clear data. Now, after doing this, if you still encounter the same problem, the very last thing to do here is use Shopify support. So if issues persist, contact Shopify support. You need to provide a screenshot of your DNS settings, the domain you're trying to connect. So you just have to go to Shopify Help Center and then tap contact support. So if none of the above solutions work, so reach out to Shopify support or your domain provider support team. Shopify can help check if there are issues from their side, while the domain provider can confirm that your settings are correctly configured and propagated. So this additional method should help resolve most domain or DNS related issues with Shopify. And I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.